You think you make up this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, if as long as it doesn't get worse than this.
No, but this is a big hill, man.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, he said. Hey, I got nothing to do with this. But look at this now.
Yeah,
See this?
It's not used.
It's not like it used to be. This trail now looks like a quad trail. This used to be the main road. Not that they ever really maintained it. He says he can do it, no problem. And I asked him about 5 times before it dropped in. He claims he can. So we're getting this on camera right now, Andy.
Probably.
We can't make it up. Oh, nah, that doesn't sound good. It's just the big rocks.
Yeah,
Hold
it's
on.
stuck under the bumper.
Hold on, I'll get rid of the rocks.
Yeah, it's probably
Yeah, like this thing's got like 2 inches of ground clearance. That's all it is. Hold on.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna have to back up.
Well, you're gonna have to lift the front of the car up. Or put rocks behind the tires to...
Alright. So anyways, he got rid of that big boulder. We lost the oil pan.
Oil lights on.
Is it?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
So is it leaking oil?
Oh, we got duct tape.
Are you serious?
No.
Oh my god, I see some red lights. I thought it